Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP EliteBook 86516 driver download. So open any browser to type Google search box like that as it is in the Google search box. So this is officially website you can download driver of HP all devices support.hp.com. Right click to open new tab and go to this tab. Wait few seconds. So you can change the operating system. Okay, if you are using Windows 10 11, what do you want to, and then click to update. This is your updated driver. So first guys, select audio, this one. Okay, only one driver showing here, so no worry about that. Then this is chipset, so AMD chipset driver, try to this one, check. Okay, and then graphic card, not installed by everyone, this is not required for system. Okay, MD, select this, minimize, keyboard mouse required only for camera and fingerprint also. And then network, this is for wireless, mean Wi-Fi driver, this is LAN driver, and this is the Bluetooth driver. Okay, all drivers showing here. Okay, so you can download selected file to automatically start here. Okay, and I just show you one install the driver. Okay, downloaded driver, how to install. So just like that, single click this file, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next. This is installation path, you can change the folder, so click to change and go select this folder, then next. So all the installations process almost same, almost means 100% same. Okay, so you just click to download selected file and one by one download, and then after that restart your system. Thank you.